Here's how to cut your panels without chipping. I'm David with Highland Cabinetry. We go out on job sites all the time and we see panels that are installed that are very chipped up. They're really kind of beat up and they shouldn't be installed. So I wanted to show you a pro tip on how to cut your panels. First, I'm going to start off with kind of a level 1 cut, which is how we normally see it. And then we're going to move up for level 2 and level 3 to the pro tip. Okay, let's get started. Level 1, just cut it. Level 1 shows that you get all kinds of chips, whether it be stained or painted. You just get a lot of blowout in the chips, and I see that a lot on projects. It shouldn't be done that way. Let's look at a level 2 cut. So we're lightly scoring the paint, and then we're cutting a little more exact. So we taped it, we scored it, gives you a little bit better edge. You can do that with a jigsaw, or you could use a circular saw, which a lot of the guys do. A really good cabinet maker uses a router with an overhead bearing and a straight edge. You get razor sharp edges. You never have to worry about blowout. That's the way you do it. Very, very sharp edge, clean as a whistle. That's the pro tip.